Good morning everyone. Welcome back. In the previous video we have discussed about the classification of the hydrocarbons, and in this video we are going to derive the various compounds from the hydrocarbons. Let us see how. We are having the first example, that is RCH2H, or we can write it as RCH3, and in this case the R group is having the single bond with the carbon. That's why it is considered as the alkane. It is considered as the alkane. And now if we replace the hydrogen of the alkane, it leads to the formation of the alkyl group. And this alkyl group can be written as RCH2 group, or simply it can be written as R group. If we replace this hydrogen with the halogen, it leads to the formation of the alkyl halide, and this alkyl halide is the main topic for your chapter number 10. And these alkyl halides, they are considered as the derivatives of the hydrocarbons. Now if we have to define what is alkyl halides, you can simply say that alkyl halides are the derivative of the hydrocarbon. They are the derivatives of the hydrocarbons which are formed by the replacement of the hydrogen with the halogen. If we are having the journal formula, that is RH, and this is called as the hydrocarbon, or simply you can say that this is the alkane and we consider it as the hydrocarbon. If we are having the journal formula for the hydrocarbon RH, and we replace the H with the X group, it leads to the formation of the RX, and this group is called as, this compound is called as the alkyl halide in common form. This is called as the alkyl halide, or in IUPAC nomenclature it is called as the haloalkane. It is clear? Now see the second example. In this second example, we are having the example like CH2 double bond CH2, and this compound is called as ethene. This is called as the ethene because there are two carbons. And here we are having the double bond. That's why we are using the ene. Its name is ethene. And if we replace the H group or H atom of the ethene with the halogen, it leads to the formation of CH2 double bond CH and X. And this compound is now called as vinyl halide, and it is also an example of the alkyl halide. This is called as the vinyl halide because this group is commonly called as the vinyl group. Now moves to the third example. In the third example, we are having the formula RCH double bond CH3. If we replace the terminal hydrogen, with the halogen, it leads to the formation of a compound like RCH double bond CH2X. And in this case, this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon, and this is the third carbon. The halogen is attached to the carbon which is bonded to the carbon having the double bond, and that's why it is called as the alene. They are called as the alene, or we can say that they are called as the allyl halides. In this compound is generally called as the alene. If we replace hydrogen, then it is called as the allyl group. Addition of the halogen, it leads to the formation of the allyl halide. Is this clear? Now moves to the next. We are having the fourth example, and this is your own one. This is called as the benzene. In case of benzene, if we replace H with the X, it leads to the formation of benzene along with the X, and this is called as the haloarine. It is called as the haloarine. This is called as the haloarine. Now we are having the next example, that is toluene. It is called as the toluene. In this case, if we replace hydrogen with the halogen group, it leads to the formation of CH2X, and this compound is called as the benzyl. This is called as the benzyl halide. It is called as the benzyl halide. Now you have seen that by replacing the hydrogen with the another group, that is the halogen group, we are getting the another compound like this CHX. In this case, the carbon is having the triple bond with the another carbon. That's why it is called as the alkyne. It is called as the alkyne. By replacing the hydrogen, it is called as the alkenyl group. It is called as the alkenyl group, and this is called as the alkenyl halide. It is called as the alkenyl halide. It is called as the alkenyl halide. It means on the basis of replacement of the hydrogen with the halogen, we are having the different types of the alkyl halides, and these alkyl halides, they differ from each other on the basis of the nature of the carbon, to which the halogen group is attached. In generally, we can say that the alkyl halides, they are derived from the hydrocarbons. While the replacement of the hydrogen with the halogen. This is all about the compounds, that is the alkyl halide.